Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Learn With Me on All the World's Ills. My name is Dolly Prada. I am going to be showing you how to, as an Amazon influencer, add your Amazon shoppable videos to your media kit. I do have a whole series about how I am using WordPress to upgrade my business in 2025. If you're interested in that, if you're a content creator of any sort or just a small business owner and you just want some tips and tricks as well as seeing it from a first person perspective, I guess, right? If you wanted to see me do it and try to learn from my mistakes, teach each other, just learn with each other, definitely make sure that you subscribe, like this video, and share it so that it can help somebody else. So as an Amazon influencer, I have a storefront. There are two different types of Amazon people when it comes to shoppable content. There is shoppable content for Amazon influencers, and then for Amazon associates, I'm not sure if you can upload a video or not, but regardless, you can use this, okay? This video is very helpful for anyone that is trying to get brand deals or reach out to Amazon sellers so that they can get brand deals. So basically, the concept that I have for my media kit is like an all-in-one stop shop, okay? So when I reach out to Amazon sellers, I'm giving them an initial pitch that includes a couple of metrics as well as why I want to do this, or like how I can help them, like deliverables, things like that, long-term collaborations, whatever things that I think are necessary or that can help me secure this deal, especially if I have already sold for them, which is like the beauty of being an Amazon influencer. You can or associate, you can already show a brand that you have sold for them, and so that's a major plus. So basically what I'm doing right now with my media kit and all that is I am gathering all of my Amazon metrics and basically using that to pitch to brands. So I downloaded a complete spreadsheet from Amazon, and it has all of my sales I did from August to present. So it has every single bit of my sales. I want to be as completely transparent with the brands as I can. I'm not interested in a whole bunch of back and forth with emails. I want them to have all the information they need to make an informed decision if I'm the right fit or not. So I'm putting everything on my website all in one place for them. So on my Amazon storefront, I have over 400 shoppable videos. So I am going to basically go through my list, see what items I have that I have sold at least like 3 or more, or sometimes 2, but at least 3 or more. I'm going on my spreadsheet and I'm picking those type of items, going inside of my Amazon storefront, searching for that video, and then I'm going to go and copy that video as if I'm copying it, not with my link. Like I don't necessarily need to click like, oh, my associate's link. I'm just going to actually go and grab the video link itself, and I'm going to be putting that on my website so that the brands are able to see with their own eyes the actual metrics for the video, and they're able to go look at the video itself and see what exactly did I do. I probably should include on there as well, like if it's a demo or an unboxing, things like that, because with Amazon, as you know, you can make any type of video, and I've had some videos where it's literally just an unboxing or me just showing how it comes, and I've made like 5 sales from it. Like I didn't demo it at all or talk about it at all. So those things are pretty valuable when it comes to a brand, because I'm learning more things as a Black content creator, to be honest with you. And I do know that there is a space for us to not put our faces in content. So if I'm able to show a brand that I can make sales by simply showing the product using my hands, then that's a plus as well. Doing voiceovers, that's a plus as well. So I'm just exploring my options. When it comes to the actual putting of the content on my media kit, I'm including a couple different metrics along with the link to the content itself. I'm including the sales, I'm including how many clicks it had, and I'm including what the revenue was, the total revenue. I'm not including the revenue of items or items that have been returned. Like let's say I sell baby powder and I have 8 sales but 3 returns. So I'm only counting that as 5 sales and then the revenue of those 5 sales. I'm not counting the returns because that's not a profit. Like I don't see that as a profit, like me personally. But I also have that entire spreadsheet for them so that they can see exactly what I'm talking about. Like if I look on there and type in Primo or So Lovely, you'll see on there on the spreadsheet that I have 8 wigs that I sold for So Lovely. So if you are looking to get more brand deals in 2025, especially as an Amazon influencer or associate, I think it's a great idea to get your media kit started. You have all of the content already. Continue to make tons of videos. You never know what's gonna hit. I finally found my niche after 400 videos. I did 400 videos in about 4 months, and I finally found what really worked for me, what I'm really gonna stick to when it comes to Amazon, which is basically the beauty category and the wigs, hair, thing like that. So I hope that you find what works for you, because it's really worth getting into. And once you find that thing, you'll make some good cash, I promise. Once you find that thing that works for you, that niche, that thing that just keeps selling, and you look at yourself like, I've always had this, you're going to realize how much more of it you have. You're going to start making that good income, and you'll see. Okay, don't just do random stuff. Do what you like, do what you know, do what feels good, because that's what's going to make people buy things. I hope this video was helpful in any way, shape, or form, inspiring, motivating, all that wonderful stuff. You got this. And if you need help with anything else, make sure you subscribe for more videos like this to maximize your income as a content creator, small business owner in 2025. Again, I'm Dolly Prada. I hope that you all have a wonderful, blessed day. Share this video to help someone else. Bye.